Good afternoon, one and all. Welcome to the Daily Dose. I am Veera. Here we discuss top 5 current affairs and some fun things. And today's bonus topic is so special that please don't leave and just stay tuned. Moving on to the top 5 current affairs, Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and the European Union leaders, they are meeting on 8th of May. This meet is going to be hosted by Portugal, and PM is going to participate in the European Council meeting on the May 8th, and this effort is expected to give a push to the efforts to revive negotiations on trade and investment agreement, and of course to discuss about the Indian situation of COVID-19. And let us see if this meeting brings proves beneficial to India and brings good fortune to India. And many must be wondering that अरे ये European Union क्या है. So let me make it very much clear. So this European Union is a trade union of 27 member states. So it is a political and economic union of 27 member states that are located in Europe, and headquarters of this European Union are at Brussels, Belgium. And current president is Ursula von der Leyen, and the bottommost photograph belongs to her, and above that is the symbol of the European Union. Then, a happy World Athletics Day, everyone. Every 7th May is celebrated as the World Athletics Day. BCCI Vice President Rajiv Shukla clarifies that IPL 2021 has not been cancelled, it has just been postponed. Please do not do not be under a misconception कि अरे IPL तो cancel हो गया है. No, IPL has not been cancelled, it has just been postponed. Then, amid this so much hustle bustle, it is good that the BCCI vice president has just clarified that it has not been cancelled, because it is the sole source of entertainment amid this situation, in this situation, worst situation. So, let us hope for the best that we see an IPL match as soon as possible. Then, three Indian American CEOs, Sundar Pichai, Punit Ranjan, and Shantanu Narayan, they joined task force to help India fight against COVID-19. Sundar Pichai from Google, Punit Ranjan from Deloitte, and Shantanu Narayan from Adobe, they joined task force to help India fight against COVID-19. Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma, they donate together 2 crores to fight against COVID-19. And moving on to the important Indian office holders. This is so vital. And if you knew all these Indian office holders, you should seriously clap for yourself. It is a great achievement. So, starting with the Chief Justice of India. So, let me tell you, many are under a misconception that it is Shri Sharad Arvind Bobde. But now, hardly 1 month ago, N.V. Ramana was made the 48th Chief Justice of India, and it is not Shri Sharad Arvind Bobde, it is Shri N.V. Ramana. Now, Chief of the Army Staff continues to be General Manoj Mukund Naravne. Then, Chief Election Commissioner, again a misconception, everyone. It is not Sunil Arora. Sunil Arora was prior to Sushil Chandra, it was Sunil Arora, but now it is Shri Sushil Chandra. Then, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Shri Om Birla, RBI Governor Shri Shaktikant Das, and Chief of Defence Staff, that is CDS, continues to be General Bipin Rawat. Then, with states, this is a game. This was a game played. In the last video, I told you guys to comment in the comment section which state is known as the Pearl of the Orient. It was Goa, and Milk Pail of India, it was Haryana. And Sanika makes it to the leaderboard. She did reply, and congratulations, Anika. Stay active and enthusiastic always. And ending our video with a powerful quote: finish what you start. We guys are just in a habit to leave things in between. We don't finish what we start. So we should be in a habit of finishing what we start. Thank you for your love and support, everyone. Subscribe my channel for the notifications and love you all. Thank you.